Hello, Professor Beaver. One more time with the Screencast-O-Matic presentation. I'd like to preface this by saying that I actually had no clue this was going to be the special project for WebTurtle that you had before I made my choice for how I wanted to demonstrate looping and branching. This is all just one big coincidence that I managed to figure out how to make triangles and squares before I even read what this assignment was gonna be. But I'm glad I did because this made this sort of easier. So I figured out how to make the first part. I made it all into just one big if else statement. As you can see, I put if you type in 4, and I made my shapes with colors just because I wanted to. You get a red square. Next, else. And then I didn't put the end if, and I just kept going. Else if you type in 3, it equals, you get a blue triangle. Next, else if you type in 5, you get a green. Let's just make it, you get a pentagon. So we can try it out. 4. And it says here that you're missing the end if on the line, but the program is running the way it's supposed to. And then I just made another one over here I made one more end if, one more branch over here. So if it's less than 3 or if it's greater than 5, enter 3, 4, or 5 is the command you are given. And we can run this multiple times. And we always get a square or a triangle or a pentagon. And if we enter a smaller number, we always get the prompt to enter the correct numbers. So yeah, I hope that was helpful. This didn't take that long to figure out how to do. There's probably a better way of programming this, but that's what I figured out so far. Thank you.